Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Smartsheet OAuth step by step clearly. To authorize with Smartsheet using OAuth, start by creating a new app in the Smartsheet Developer Portal. Navigate to the Smartsheet Developer Portal and log in with your account. Once logged in, click on Create an App, fill in the required fields such as app name and description. Select the necessary scopes for your app based on what data you want to access. After filling out the details, click on Create. You will be provided with a client ID and client secret for your new app. Take note of these credentials, as you will need them for authentication. Next, you will need to construct the authorization URL. The URL format is https://app.smartsheet.com/b/login?client_id=your_client_id #response_type=sign your_scope=your_scopes=redirect_URI replace your_client_id, your_scopes, and your_redirect_URI with your app's details. Copy and paste this URL into a web browser to initiate the OAuth process. Once you access the link, you will be prompted to log in to your Smartsheet account. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize your app to access your Smartsheet data. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. You will then be redirected to the URL you specified as your redirect URI. In the URL, you will find a code parameter, which is the authorization code. Copy this authorization code for the next step. Now, you need to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Send a post request to https://api.smartsheet.com/2.0/token . In the request body, include your client ID, client secret, authorization code, and redirect URI. Make sure to set the content type header to application/xwww formerly encoded. Once the request is successfully processed, you will receive a JSON response. This response will include your access token and refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as you will use the access token for API calls. Remember that the access token has an expiration time, so use the refresh token to obtain a new one when needed. You are now authorized to use the Smartsheet API with OAuth. You can make API requests by including the access token in the authorization header. This completes the authorization process with Smartsheet OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.